Hi, welcome back to Angie's Pantry. Today we're going to make some homemade Greek yogurt. The recipe calls for 6 cups of milk. I'm using whole milk. You can use goat milk, whatever kind of milk you want, almond milk. I found this recipe a couple years ago from Michigan Snow Pony, and I'll put her link in the link below. But she heats hers up in a pan, which I normally do. But this time I'm going to heat mine up, so you got probably about a cup left out of a half gallon. I'm going to heat mine up in the microwave. So, okay, so there's 6 cups of that. And this is powdered milk. This is heaping half cup of powdered milk. That makes it more like a custardy flavor. You ask why I'm doing that. Sugar, a half a cup. If you don't want that sugary. Unflavored gelatin. I got mine at Walmart. All back though. She says a heaping teaspoon, which I think is this whole pack, but I'm going to make sure. Yep, it's the whole pack. So one whole little pack of that would be a heaping teaspoon. Alright. And we're going to blend all this in really well. Put this in the microwave on high, and I will take it out every minute and stir it up until I come up to 180 degrees. I don't know if you can see the blue line, but it's at 180. That's right where we want it to be. It just dropped down a little because I had to rinse it off, but it's right at 180. So now we're going to add in a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm using pure vanilla. Now whisk it up again. Get that vanilla incorporated in there. And then we're going to let it sit at room temperature until it comes down to 115 degrees, between 115 and 110 degrees. Then we will add our yogurt culture. 110 degrees. And what I'm going to do is grab a bowl. Sure. Just take a little bit, put it in a bowl. Now we're going to add a heaping tablespoon of live cultured yogurt. Wherever you can find it. That's not quite heaping. Alright, that's a nice heaping size right there. I'm going to pour that in here. Mix that up again. Just get it in there good. So now you use a clean, sanitized jar, one that you just washed. I got water all over my hands. And you pour it in. I have my dehydrator preheated at the yogurt temperature on my dehydrator. I have an Excalibur, and I believe it's at 110. So I don't know why I always do this, but I soak my rings, and I am going to put the lid on it. Like so. These will go in the dehydrator overnight on the yogurt setting for anywhere from 8 to 12 hours. It's been in the dehydrator for I'd say 9 hours. And look at how beautiful that's set up. Can you see? That's your whey. So let's open her up. I just took it out. Now it will thicken up more once it's in the refrigerator. So let's see how nice, beautiful, thick she is. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That's how easy it is to make homemade yogurt. Don't that look beautiful? All right. You have a wonderful day. Big hugs from my pantry to yours. Bye.